This is program number 3 in the Computer Science Department at UIC in the spring semester 2010. This is called the Photographic Memory Trainer, and when the program starts up, the first thing it does is display the information on the author, what the program is, an explanation of what the program is supposed to do. Then it displays the screen, which we can see here, and it has a grid, a 5x5 grid of circles. Clicking on the redo button has the effect of choosing a random pattern, and the idea is that this is a memory trainer so that if I'm doing this with a friend, I could have the friend choose one of these at random while I look away. Let's say the friend chooses this one up here. I look away, the friend does that, I look back, and I try and guess which one it was. If I've done a good job of remembering which one it is, then in fact I can click on that correct one. It gives me a message, that's it, great. We could try it again, redo, come up with a different pattern. Let's say I wasn't looking at it and I come back, and or let's say when I'm not looking, my friend clicks on this one here, and I come back and look at it and I think, I'm not sure, somewhere around here. I click on that one, it says nope, sorry, not it, redo, and so we go again. Interesting thing about it though, it has to do with the fact that this is based on parity, not actually just on memory. So let's choose another board position here. Each row and column has an even or odd number of dots on it, and each row and column has at least one red dot in it. So here we can see that the columns start, this is odd and then even, odd, even, odd. So 3 is odd number, 2 is even, 3 in the center column is odd, and so forth. Similarly with the rows, the top row has 3, which is odd, the next row is 4, which is even, then odd, the next to the last row is 2, which is even, and then the last row again is odd. So when someone changes any one of these, so let's say if somebody changes this one right here, it has effect on both the row and the column. So when this one gets selected, what that's going to do is going to change this row from used to be odd and now it's even, and by observation we can see that this is odd, even, odd, but this one breaks the pattern. And then similarly we can go through the columns and see we have odd, even, this should be odd but it's not, and where the row and the column intersect, that's the dot that's been changed. So that's the secret to doing this and making yourself look clever. So that's the one. Enjoy.